Hi everyone, in this video I will be sharing my nighttime skincare routine. I haven't done a skincare video in months. For me, skincare videos are very relaxing, whether it's watching or filming. I really like skincare videos. So yes, in today's video I am going to share my current nighttime skincare routine. Let's get started. I'm starting with double cleansing. For that, first of all, I will need an oil cleanser to remove my makeup. Here I'm using the Sugandha Squalane cleansing oil. This removes all makeup, even waterproof makeup. Right now I'm wearing a very matte lipstick and waterproof mascara. It just melts everything. Plus, it doesn't sting my eyes. I am going to use circular motion for my face. I am being very gentle while massaging it into my skin. For eyes, I am going to use a very light hand to remove my mascara. I prefer oil cleansers over cleansing balms because oil cleansers are easier to use than cleansing balms. Especially during winters, cleansing balm consume some extra time and they also kind of feel heavy on my skin. This oil cleanser is super lightweight. You won't feel anything on your skin. Also, oil cleansers come off more easily than cleansing balms. You can use an oil cleanser even if you don't wear any makeup. I don't double cleanse every day, but when I wear sunscreen or makeup, I do it. So generally for the PM routine, I'd say I do double cleansing. Then I'm going to use this cleansing pad from Earth Rhythm. This is for cleaning all the oil from my face. This way you can save some water. You don't have to splash your face too much with water because the cleansing pad will get rid of the extra oil from your face. Now this is a super soft cleansing pad. I really like it. I have been using it for so many days. And I have to say that this is reusable and long lasting. I have been using these for more than a year and they still look like new. After this, I am going to use a face wash. This is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This is a foaming face wash, so you need to add some water to it. This cleanses your skin really well. I massage it in for a minute and rinse it off. This is a face wash for all skin types. It's very affordable. It has got green tea, glycolic acid and some cellulose beads. Now all the ingredients make it look like this is something for oily or combination skin type, but it can totally be used by dry skin too. It did suit my skin really well. It's not too drying. All the cleansers dry my skin a little bit because they are cleansers and I use warm water to wash my face, but this doesn't make my face dry. Well, not too dry. Next, I have the Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. This is an alcohol-free toner. I just like to prep my skin with this before going in with any other skincare product like serum or under eye cream. Face wash generally makes my skin dry, so this adds little moisture back to my skin. It is also very soothing in nature. I really like it. You can also use it with a cotton pad, but I just like applying it directly on my face. For eye cream, I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Eye Repair Gel Creme. Now this was sent to me by Nykaa for a collab and that is how I started using it. I'm not someone who likes purchasing high-end eye care products. Like really expensive under eye creams are not my thing. But I really like how lightweight this is. Other than that, I like using the Ordinary Caffeine Serum. That one is something that helps in reducing dark circles. This is sort of an all-rounder, I'd say. It repairs wrinkles and reduces dark circles all at once. I haven't seen a lot of difference on my under eyes even after using this, but then again I don't use it every day, maybe on alternate days. The packaging is so small and cute, most of the times I just forget using it. For serum, I'm using the Nykaa SkinRx 2% Advanced Retinol Serum. I don't use the serum every day, maybe on alternate days. I generally stick to my vitamin C serum, but I do want to introduce retinol into my skincare routine. I don't really need it right now. I mean, I'm 24, but I just want to see if it truly decreases the appearance of fine lines. I am getting some on my forehead, so I want to test out this serum on that. This has a very light consistency. It disappears on skin in a few seconds post application. It's an amazing serum texture wise. I will have to use it for a few more days to comment on the effects. Next is moisturizer. For that, I will be using the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I either use this or the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. I am going to apply an oil after this, so I like to keep my moisturizer very lightweight. Next, I'm going to use a facial oil. This is a must-have for me because I have very dry skin during winters. This is the Nykaa Skin Potion 24 karat gold facial oil. This is my favorite facial oil. Other than this, I like using the Plum Sea Buckthorn one. You just need 3 drops for your entire face and neck. I have been using this for months now and I really like it. I will definitely repurchase it. It has a very faint fragrance and some gold particles as well. The overall packaging and feel of this product is super luxurious. Ultimately, I will be using a lip oil. This is the Blue Heaven Color and Condition Lip Oil in Cloudberry Clear. This moisturizes and gives my lips a beautiful dewy finish. It's non-sticky and very lightweight. I reapply it every couple of hours. And that was the final step. That's my nighttime skincare routine. If you liked the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.